Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about our latest U-Match. For identification, I will call it U-Match 6 or U-Match LNS. And this presentation is based on EU market. For the other area, you can take it as your reference. This presentation divides into these 5 parts. I have put the corresponding video linkage at the below description area just for your convenience.
What is U-Match?
U-Match is between residential air conditioner and commercial air conditioner. Compared with RAC, the capacity is larger. We make it up to 16 kilowatt. To achieve this one, we extend the piping and also the height drop. Compared with CAC, it is easier to install, and because it is still one indoor unit to one outdoor unit, basically there is no need bracing.
Here is the universal match, and what you can do is with the same unit, this one, you can select the indoor unit to be duct tie, cassette tie, wall mounted, or the floor ceiling. For this one, either one of it is available. The outdoor unit is the same, but it is still 1-to-1. And also for the indoor unit, they can select the outdoor unit to be single phase or the 3 phases, which is easier for the customer to choose. Which means the power supply, if it can get the 3 phases, it will be the best. If it is single phase, it's still okay.
For this U-Match 6 or U-Match LNS, here is the operating range for outdoor and bin. Just compare with our last generation, we can call it U-Match 5 or U-Match RS485. And for this one, the upper limit is the same, 52 degree. But lower limit, we make it as low as -20. As for heating, also the same, upper limit 24, lower limit as low as -20. As for the power supply, for this part it is the same, either single phases and 3 phases, we keep it the same as our last generation. This table displays the outdoor unit light gap for EU market. Here is the model. This is the picture. You can find that for the whole series, it is single outdoor fan design. From this model, you can find that here the certified means the cooling capacity. It is 3.5 kilowatt. This W means it is outdoor unit. As for this one, that means it is our U-Match 6th generation or U-Match LNS. As for this NH, that means the refrigerant, it is R32. As for the last alphabet, also means the power supply. For this one, means it is a single phase. For this X, it is 3 phases. Also, you can find that from 10 to 14 kilowatt. This is 3 model. You can choose single phase or 3 phases. I also put the efficiency for cooling and heating. This is for duct tie, also the net weight, the noise, and also the dimension. I put it here just for your reference. As for the efficiency, we also improve a lot. Here is the cooling performance. I just compare the SEER with our last generation. Basically improve 4 to 5%. And the heating performance, I just compare the SCOP, this time about 7 to 8%. For the outdoor unit reliability, we also develop and improve the inside components. First is for higher the power factor. We have this reactor put it here. Also, the whole series apply the EXV for metering. And also, as you know that EXV also means the high accuracy refrigerant control. And also, we have the gas liquid separator to avoid the compressor liquid slump. And for 16 and 14 kilowatt, the outer unit PCB apply the refrigerant cool, just like this. This also to higher the compressor and even the system efficiency. As for the LCLH model, which is the low heating, low cooling mode, for this one we have this button band e-heater. This is for preventing the ice accumulate at the button. As for the ventilation system, we also improve the fan blade and also the fan motor. In the next slide, I will introduce.
Ventilation system of the U-Match. First is the fan blade. We focus on the structure or the shape to ensure you will have a higher volume with the same RPM, which is focused on the circular up blade top, this part. And this is the forward sweep and also the long span wide blade. So in conclusion, we just compare with the old generation with the same RPM, we will have about 11.4%. The air volume it will be higher. As for the fan motor, first is the anti-reverse. That means when the U-Match is going to start up, first we will judge how the outdoor fan motor, how it operates. Clockwise, stop, anti-clockwise, and according to this one, we will have different measures to ensure it can start up successful. Anti-corruption, that means the whole body or even the shaft, we apply the stainless steel or the electrode forensic craft. Low noise, that means the inside there is a built-in PCB to drive the fan motor, and for that we also optimize the circuit design and also to ensure when the fan motor operates it will not have the electronic noise.
The compressor also from grid. It is twin rotary. That means inside the compressor there are two cylinders or two compression chambers. And we also research or develop lots of the components to ensure the compressor with higher efficiency and also higher durable. For example, here is the compression chamber. This is the roller. It is an alloy ruler made from chlorine process for lower leakage and abrasion. This valve is for the gas to discharge with a special structure to lower the resistance. And also this one, this slide vent, which is located here. And for this one, we need to ensure the intensity, especially at the surface. So the surface we make it a special coating. This coating is similar like the diamond to ensure the durability. As for this shaft, this whole one, it is made from QT700, and also the surface it is robust coating. As for the motor, it is a rare earth motor with DV shape to ensure the high magnetic intensity, which to ensure you will have a higher efficiency. As for this part, this is for the compressed gas to discharge. With this structure, we can ensure it will not discharge too much oil. And for this one, we can make the whole compressor for higher durability.
The outdoor heat exchanger, we apply the corrugated film. Just compare with the flat fin, the surface is not flat but uneven. The purpose of this one is just to higher the heat transfer efficiency. And also you will find that the surface there is no slip. And for this one, for heating, if the ice when we're doing the defrost on the surface of the outdoor heat exchanger, it will become the water. And for this corrugated fin, it will be easier for the water to flow out because there's no slip, right? And just due to this one, it will be easier for the defrosting, just compare with the slip fin. As for the anti-corrosion, this is the table, and actually in our grid design system, we divide the anti-corrosion level of the fin by different color. And also you will find that for either one of it, the structure is this. They are almost the same. The difference is just the thickness of different layer. And just like this, basically this is higher, also means the anti-corrosion level also higher. So for the UMAX, the outdoor unit, we apply the golden fin. It already passed the 1,500 hours of the natural soap spray test. And for this one, it 24 hours. For it, it can consider as 1 year in regular condition environment, which means for this one, it can last for a long time. And if you have a higher anti-corrosion level, you can also choose this black color. It can additional pass 200 hours for the acid salt spray test. And also for detail, you need to contact with your grid salesman for detail.
Compact design. First is for the installation space requirement. Just compare with our last generation, you can find that this space required, we make it to be smaller. Also you can install just like this for more easier. And the whole series, it is a single fan, and also for this case, you cannot open this window, right? But for this one, this is the UMAX LNS, it is available. Here is the comparison among UMAX, multi-split or free match, and the VRF. And we just compare on the 12 kilowatt. And here is our latest, these three models. And here is the detail model of the outdoor unit. And here is the picture for how to do the wiring and piping. And you can find that for UMAX, it is one outdoor unit for one indoor unit. And for this multi-split, one outdoor unit, at the same time, it can connect to multi-indoor units. And similar to the VRF, but also you need to pay attention that the piping, you need to combine as one, then we can connect this one to the outdoor unit. And here, I just make the comparison on different items. First is the metering device. As all these three apply the EXV. So the location, and for the UMAX and the multi-split, locates at the outdoor unit, and VRF locates at the indoor unit. And for this reason, for the customer, the noise, it will be lower for this two and a little bit higher for this one. As for the communication between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit, for this two, also apply the LNS, which is the live, nature, and signal, and plus the earthing. So it will be 4 wire. And this one is 4 wire for each indoor unit. And for the VRF, as the power for indoor unit and outdoor unit, they are separated. We just need to ensure the communication, and also we apply the CAN communication with only 2 wires for each indoor unit. As for the piping, these two, only the flaring, no need the welding or bracing. And here is the piping information about the high job outdoor unit to vertex indoor unit and total piping. I just put it here just for your reference. The reason why this VRF it can connect to a longer or further in indoor unit, it is because it has the subcooler. This one. And the purpose of the subcooler is just to increase the subcooling, which makes the system the refrigerant can remain liquid state when it go to the vertex indoor unit. So that is the reason why it can connect to up to 100 meter. And the refrigerant for this tool, we apply the R32 because they belong to the residential air conditioner, and this one is the commercial steel R148. As for the oil check, this tool require also the same LV 6 meter. We need an oil check if the height drop between indoor unit and outdoor unit is 610 meters. For VRF, no need. And the oil return operation, you match as there's one outdoor unit to one indoor unit, no need this part. For this tool, required, especially in the park low condition and also especially when the compressor RPM is at low. And also at the capacity ratio, for this one, it is no selection. And for this, it is 50 to actually our recommendation is 150. Is this one, it will lower the system performance, but generally there is no limit, but the quantity is already fixed by the outdoor unit as the cut off where the quantity is already fixed. As for the VRF, we have a limit, upper limit is 135, and the power supply for this U-match is from outdoor unit to the indoor unit. And also the same as the multi-split. For the VRF, the power supply for indoor unit and outdoor unit, they are separated. Communication is CAN, only 2 wires.